Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to change language setting in BLEACH Soul Resonance. If you want to change the language in BLEACH Soul Resonance, you can easily do it in a couple of minutes, so let's get started. First of all, launch open BLEACH Soul Resonance game on your device, and once you're in the lobby screen, go to the upper right corner and tap on the menu button. After you're inside the menu tab, click on the gear button on the right corner, and once you do, you'll open up the settings menu. From the settings, go to the other tab from the left and you'll see the language setting option. Tap the drop down right next to language setting and choose a different language you want to change to. Once you do, you'll see this confirm box. Click on confirm and this will help you change your display language in the BLEACH Soul Resonance game. Just click on confirm and you'll be good to go. So that is how you easily change your display language in BLEACH Soul Resonance. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.